Hi guys, this is Elaine. Thanks for joining me. I have another flip through of a bee journal, and the ones I've shown here, they're the same inside. There's just a slight difference on the cover, where this has the little checks on the fabric. This one doesn't, but they're the same inside, and they'll be listed separately. Okay. And both of them do come with the removable tassel. And we have a little sunflower closure with a little hair tie. We have a bee on front, and then we have letters spelled out, hive, on front. So this is beehive. And we have some beehive in the fabric, and some sunflower seeds on top. Some sunflowers on top. And turn it over, and we have the back. That's how the back looks on both books. Okay. Okay, so let's get started with the flip through. So we have a beehive tuck, and we have The Story Begins, and this book belongs to. We have some information on a honeybee, eyelet trim here, fabric flip, stamped image of a mushroom, beehive, journaling pages, stamped image of a butterfly, and a bird. Have a nice day stamped image, journaling pages. We have a corner tuck with a tag. Have a little fabric ruffle here. A tuck with some journaling sheets inside. A picture. Some honeybees. Journaling pages. Fabric ruffle on the edge. Has some little lace down below. Belly band with a little journaling sheet inside. And has a little fabric ruffle on top. We have a little booklet here that you can journal in. A little fabric journaling sheet. More ruffled fabric on the edge. Lots of journaling pages and stamped images of birds and flowers. The tag there. Belly band with some journaling pages inside. A lot of eyelet trim on the edge. Corner tuck with an index card. Information about a velvet bee. Stamped image of a bee. Journaling pages. We have a side tuck here. Some information about bees. A little fabric ruffle there. A little tag here inside the belly band. A little index, another card that you can journal on. Here's a little index card to journal on, tucked in there. More stamped images. And I also left the string long on the inside so that you guys can attach some beads if you want to. More information on bead and the feeding of bees and their food. And this one is information on their habitat. More journaling pages. A little tuck with a bee card you can journal on. You have a tag here that's made out of a tuck, and then you have some bee workers here working the hives. Stamped image of a little bee, butterfly up top, journaling pages. That's the end of the first signature. No, second signature. So this is the last signature. We have a little tuck on front, lace tuck with a little booklet, journaling booklet inside, index card with a stamped bee on it, eyelet trim on the edge, another stamped image of a bee, journaling pages. We have a little belly band here with the envelope tucked inside that you can journal on. Stamped image of a bee up top. It's a corner tuck with the little booklet that you can journal in. Here's some more journaling pages. This belly band. More journaling sheets. We have a little tuck here. More information about bees. Stamped images. A tuck here with an index card that you can write on the back. And the next sheet, more information about bees, and then a journaling sheet you can journal on. Okay, here's a card to flip over. Inside you have a tag that you could journal on. It has a beehive on front. More journaling pages. And then in this belly band we have an envelope that has a journaling sheet inside. Stamped images on the front. Stamped images on the corner and upper corner of this page. And then we have that bee cutout on this page. Little bag that has a journaling card inside. There's a little tuck here. Index card. Eyelet trim. It's the other side of that lace tuck with some journaling, a journaling tablet. More information in this bottom corner tuck about bees. Okay, guys, that's the end of this flip through. And on the tassel, you got a lot of lace trim, eyelet trim, some beads, some little dangles, charms, and it's removable. Okay, guys, so the link to my shop is down in the description. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and check out my shop on Etsy. And I will see you guys at my next flip through. Bye.